In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar. After that, you need to click at the bottom right corner, select Got It and tap on the month above. Then pick a date by clicking on the desired one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you need to choose event to create it, and now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour and ending one, add people, choose location over here, tap on while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, change color and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then select save at the top right corner one more time to save them. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it as well, but this time tap on those three dots instead at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!